about to go on the Dodge thrill ride here with Rick. What are we riding in?
We got a Charger Red Eye making 797 horsepower.
I've been working on my sketching skills, and I want to sketch and capture the essence of the thrill ride while we go for a run. Is that all right?
I like it, Tyler.
Okay.
Let's do a ride. All right, Tyler, sharpen your crayons here. Here we go.
Well, it kind of looks like a Charger, but maybe it's been in a slight accident.
Well, I'm surprised you were even able to hold on to that pen and it didn't fly out the window, Tyler.
Well, Rick, I know that you're a fine art collector, so I saved this just for you. I'm going to give it to you so you can put that and frame it, put it in your office, you know, next to your Emmys and everything else, right?
I'm very proud of this. This is going to be a special memento. It'll be on eBay in an hour.